Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another one. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to stay informed on my next video. So we're starting off pretty strong. It's the night before I spend the night at Raffles Hotel in Boston. He booked the hotel. I wanted to stay there and experience obviously the hotel and the spa. So we're gonna do that. I'm packing right now, so I'm in the process of packing. Have I really started? No, because I wanted to get this intro in, because if I don't, I'm not gonna get it done tomorrow. So yeah guys, I'm gonna continue packing and I will check back in when we're in the hotel and you get to see the hotel. Okay guys, so we are back. I have a date night going on tonight, so I'm picking out my outfit before I do my makeup. Okay, so this is the outfit. It's like a cute little top. I think this top is from Misguided, if I'm not mistaken. Super cute. And then I have, oh, quickly, because I got somewhere to go. I have these high-waisted Levi jeans that I'm going to be wearing tonight. Super cute. For the shoes, I'm going to be wearing some Jimmy Choo shoes. They're not with me right now. They're downstairs. So I'm not going to show you guys that, but I can show you guys my bag. So the whole fit, this is the whole fit, and I'm going to back up for you guys so you can see it. You get the vision, okay? You get the vibes. So this is the look that I'm going for. Okay, super cute, super casual. Yeah guys, so I gotta rush out. I got a car waiting for me. We're gonna try this restaurant in Seaport. If it goes well, I'll post it. If it doesn't, I'll post it and talk trash. But yeah guys, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so we are back. Makeup is off, face is clean, lip mask is on. I'm ready for bed. I will say this though, the restaurant that we went to was definitely giving like regular average Chinese food spot. I thought it would be a little bit more upscale because it is in the Seaport district, but it wasn't given that. Yeah, a little bit disappointed on that. Customer service also wasn't really that good either, but you know, it is what it is. You live and you learn. I'll probably never be back there again, most likely, but yeah, it was a new restaurant. Wanted to try it out. Now I'm heading off to bed. I will check back in with you guys in the morning. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm headed to dinner, but real quick I wanted to do an outfit check. So I got these pants that I'm pretty sure I got from Shein. I might switch them out and like put on my Levi's because they seem more comfortable. But these are warm. They are very comfortable on the inside. They have like this warm lining inside, like it's like a cotton like warm lining. They might be too warm for today. That's why I'm thinking about switching them out. But the top is from, I believe, Aritzia. I got the top a long time ago, so I don't even know if they sell it anymore. But yeah, that's my outfit. And then the sweater The half crop sweater is from Aritzia as well. It's pretty casual. The dinner that I'm going to is going to be indoors. The indoors dinner, somebody will be cooking for me. So hopefully he's a good cook. So, no, I'm pretty sure he's a good cook. But yeah, so I'm going to be having my favorite pasta carbonara, which is going to be good. We're just going to chill, hang out, probably watch a movie. I don't know. Probably not. But yeah, and he has my favorite wine waiting for me. So I cannot wait to eat because I've kind of starved myself just to, eat. So fingers crossed it's good. If it's not good, then I'm just going to tell him to just order out or something like that. But yeah, guys, I will tune back in to show you guys the food, how everything came out and stuff like that. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. I actually had to check back in because I think I forgot to show you guys my roses. So let me show you guys my roses. So these are the roses that were gifted to me. So the roses were supposed to be 62 roses. Instead, I got like 35 roses. On top of that, I only like had them for like a couple of days. And look at this. Do you see this? They're already dying. So I had to reach out to the person that, well, not the person that sent them to me, but I had to reach out to the florist. I had to make a couple of calls because this was ordered off my wish list from a very generous suitor of mine's. And I just want to say that I'm very disappointed in the quality of these roses. Not only the quality, but they were supposed to look, a lot more fuller, a lot more roses. I'll put a picture up somewhere, maybe on this corner or that corner, of the actual bouquet that I was supposed to receive. And this bouquet, don't get me wrong, is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. But it looks like it's on a diet. These are the roses, though. I'm really happy to receive my 35 to 37 roses. They're absolutely gorgeous. I hope they live longer than this one here and the other one that I had to take out as well, because there's two of them that I had to take out. And yeah, guys, like, you got to be careful what florist you have your boo or you decide to go to order your flowers, because the last thing you want to do is spend $400 on a huge bouquet of roses and you not get what you asked for. Now, was it me that spent the $400? No. Thank God. But he did tell me that I should reach out, and I did, and they did give me a refund, a half refund credited back to my wish list, which will be deposited into my account. But anyways, I love my roses, and I hope they last a long time. And this will definitely be a damn thumbnail. This will definitely be a damn thumbnail. You see this? It's almost hitting my chandelier.